bright, isn't it? I haven't been up here in years.
It's a little dusty.
I know it may not look like much, but once the decorations are up, it'll feel like the holidays. Now, who brought the decorations?
I thought you were bringing them.
How did that get here?
What do you think's inside?
Let's find out.
That's it.
I guess so.
I'll be darned.